Welcome to Melt Matters, where we ignite your passion for mouth-watering, nutritious meals. Indulge your taste buds with our captivating and diverse meal prep ideas. Get ready to explore a variety of flavors as we present you with 3 enticing recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. From delightful morning options to satisfying midday meals and delectable dinners, we have your taste preferences covered. Join us as we reveal the secrets to creating tantalizing combinations that will leave you craving more. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and we've got you covered with energizing and nutritious options. Veggie omelet. Start your day right with a veggie-packed omelet. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and essential nutrients, while the sautéed vegetables add fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This protein-rich breakfast will keep you satisfied and provide a great start to your day. Overnight chia pudding. Our next recipe is an easy and convenient overnight chia pudding. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. When combined with almond milk and topped with fresh berries and nuts, this creamy delight becomes a nutrient powerhouse, promoting good digestion and providing a dose of essential nutrients. Avocado toast. Avocado toast has become a popular breakfast choice, and for good reason. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamins, and minerals. When spread on whole grain toast and paired with fresh tomatoes, it becomes a delightful combination that supports your overall health. Lunchtime is an opportunity to refuel your body with nourishing ingredients. Let's explore some satisfying and healthy lunch recipes. Quinoa salad. Our quinoa salad is a perfect balance of whole grains, fresh vegetables, and a tangy dressing. Quinoa is a complete protein, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Combined with colorful veggies and a lemon vinaigrette, this salad provides a satisfying and nutritious midday meal. Mediterranean chickpea salad. Embrace the flavors of the Mediterranean with our chickpea salad. Chickpeas are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, while the array of colorful vegetables adds vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Tossed in a lemon herb dressing, this salad offers a refreshing and satisfying lunch option. Spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. Our stuffed chicken breast is a protein-packed lunch choice. Spinach provides iron and folate, while feta cheese adds a tangy twist. This delicious combination creates a well-rounded meal that keeps you full and supports your muscle health. Dinner is the time to unwind and nourish your body with wholesome ingredients. Let's explore flavorful and nutritious dinner recipes. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Our baked salmon with roasted vegetables is a perfect dinner option. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health. Paired with a colorful assortment of roasted vegetables, this meal is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Lentil curry. Warm up your evening with a comforting bowl of lentil curry. Lentils are rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and various micronutrients. Combined with aromatic spices and served over brown rice, this hearty curry provides a balanced and nutritious dinner. Quinoa and black bean burrito bowl. Our quinoa and black bean burrito bowl is a delightful combination of protein-packed ingredients. Quinoa offers a complete source of plant-based protein, while black beans provide additional fiber and essential nutrients. Topped with diced avocado, salsa, and a dollop of sour cream, this bowl is both satisfying and nutrient-rich. Congratulations! You now have a collection of nutritious recipes to fuel your body throughout the week. These carefully curated meals are designed to support your overall health and well-being. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet is key to a healthy lifestyle. Stay tuned for more delicious and nutritious recipes on our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our community of health-conscious individuals. See you in the next video.